against her. Right Honorable Speaker, as we stand here today, we have so many issues that battle and fight. The backlash against women's empowerment is real in this country. But I am glad to say that the Right Honorable Speaker, Jacob Oulanyah, who is lying here with us, recognized that women's economic empowerment was not only the right thing to do, but also the core development and smart objective in this country. And it is no wonder, no surprising, that he was educating a number of girls across the country. So with that women's advancement on gender equality, I call upon this august House to once again revamp and reopen the conversation on the marriage and divorce bill in this country, so that we can be able to help women and girls out there. Finally, the Right Honorable Jacob Oulanyah was a person that I was looking forward so much to learning from, because he was a mentor in his speeches, in his plenary, when he was presiding over plenary. He mentored us, especially the new MPs, and protected us against senior colleagues bullying us as we were making our speech plenary. So I learned a lot from him, and may his soul rest in peace. Thank you very much.
The senior member who was bullying the members, Honorable Segona. Then we have Minister of Lands, Northern Uganda, Foreign Affairs.
Right Honorable Speaker and honorable colleagues, in my history, bullying stopped in 1991 when I was in Senior 1 and a student was killed in Namiryango. So for the record, I am a peacemaker and I do not encourage bullying. Colleagues, we congregate today to celebrate the life of our brother because it is worth our celebration. We are not here to celebrate the life of Lokori Jacob Oulanyah, who I fondly refer to as Ladit, because we are doing a ceremony. But we are doing this as something we owe a man of his personality. Ladit Jacob Oulanyah is somebody I knew when I was in high school. I was first attracted to his brain when he handled the case of Candida Lakony, the woman who had been mistreated in a barracks. I admired Jacob as a defense lawyer. At that time, I had nursed ambitions of being a lawyer, and I can say that the ambition was reactivated by the cross-examination of Jacob Oulanyah as against some lieutenant who had been pictured doing the abominable act on that lady. While I was in Makerere as Speaker of Makerere Law Society, I was tasked to organize a symposium at which I invited the Honorable Jacob Oulanyah. He came and spoke to us. Right Honorable Speaker, I think someone was unfairly getting me off the microphone, having said I'm senior and I've spoken for long. And since that time, we became friends, and our name for each other was Ladit, as you have witnessed. And Ladit, amongst us, the Luo, is a friend. I have been telling people that I have very close roots from Coach Goma in Nwaya. And I always teased him that I am more Luo than him. The Honorable Ladit Jacob Oulanyah was an intelligent man, and it is such people that we need to lead this country. We both agreed that this country does not need strong men, but intelligent, compassionate, and caring leaders. In him, we have missed that kind of leader.